Cell death. Cell death, also known as cell demise or cell termination, refers to the biological process in which a cell dies and ceases to function. It is a natural and essential part of the life cycle of cells and occurs as a result of various physiological and pathological processes. Cell death plays crucial roles in development, tissue homeostasis, and the elimination of damaged or unwanted cells. There are several types of cell death that can occur in living organisms. Here are some of the most well-known types. Apoptosis. Apoptosis, also known as programmed cell death, is a highly regulated process that occurs naturally in multicellular organisms. It plays a crucial role in normal development, tissue homeostasis, and the removal of damaged or unwanted cells. Apoptotic cells undergo controlled cellular shrinkage, DNA fragmentation, and the formation of apoptotic bodies, which are then phagocytosed by neighboring cells or macrophages. Necrosis. Necrosis is a type of cell death that typically occurs as a result of acute injury, such as trauma, infection, or ischemia. Unlike apoptosis, necrosis is characterized by cell swelling, membrane rupture, and the release of cellular contents into the surrounding tissue. This can trigger an inflammatory response and further damage nearby cells. Autophagy. Autophagy is a self-destructive process through which cells recycle their own components. It is an essential mechanism for maintaining cellular homeostasis by removing damaged organelles and proteins. During autophagy, cytoplasmic material is sequestered in double membrane vesicles called autophagosomes, which then fuse with lysosomes for degradation. Pyroptosis. Pyroptosis is a form of programmed cell death that occurs in response to infection by certain pathogens, particularly bacteria and viruses. It is characterized by cell swelling, plasma membrane rupture, and the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Pyroptosis is mediated by inflammasomes, which are multi-protein complexes that activate inflammatory responses. Ferroptosis. Ferroptosis is an iron-dependent form of regulated cell death that involves the accumulation of lipid peroxides, leading to oxidative damage to cell membranes and subsequent cell death. It is distinct from apoptosis and necrosis and has been implicated in various pathological conditions, including neurodegenerative diseases and cancer. Paroptosis. Paroptosis is a type of non-apoptotic cell death that is characterized by extensive cytoplasmic vacuolation and swelling, without the typical nuclear fragmentation seen in apoptosis. It is often triggered by cellular stressors, such as drugs or toxins, and is associated with certain types of cancer.